All right, our second video. It's not about making up, just jumping across, but you know what the hell? Let's do a problem that's just like your homework. Let's solidify the concept from the last problem. So I grabbed something right out of y'all's homework. The numbers might be different for some of you, but it's the same concept. So we're given a graph on the left-hand side. You'll have that in your homework, except it won't have the vertical asymptotes written in. I have them there. If we zoom into this sucker, we can see there's an issue right through here at -2. And there's also an issue right here at 5. There is a vertical asymptote. So that means we can play our games with limits. And we can ask, where the heck is it going? And let's make sure we got this down to a science where we're like pro with it. So we look at A, and we want to look at -2 from the left. So all you do is you find the graph. There's -2, and you just want to follow the graph and see where it's going. And you're like, hey, it's going up to infinity. Going to right infinity. Then we do the same thing on the right-hand side, and you can start as close as you want. And we start following the x value towards -2, and we find out it's positive infinity again. So the limit from the left is going towards infinity. The limit from the right is going towards infinity. So the actual freaking limit has to go to 7. I'm kidding. It's going to infinity. All right. Now let's go tackle the 5. And this is the same sorts of problems I was showing you from the reciprocal function. All right. So now we're going to look at part D, where it's asking us, what's the limit as x tends towards 5 from the left? Well, 5's right there. So we're just going to follow our sucker from the left. And we're like, boom, we're going down to -infinity. We're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side of x equals 5. Remember, we're always looking for the y value. That's the answer to limits. Granted, the y value never achieves infinity, but that's where it's freaking going, is blowing up. So when we went from the right, it went to positive infinity. Thus, -infinity does not equal positive infinity. No, can't be that, can it? No, were you looking? You checking? What is it? It's DNE. It does not exist. So for this problem, or for pretty much every problem throughout your 2.4 homework, your answer is either positive infinity, -infinity, or it doesn't exist. There's not really any other options, because what's the name? I can't remember what the name of this section is. What's the name of this section? Oh yeah, it's infinite limits. So when looking at these, you just need to know where the heck this stuff is going. But soon, you are going to have to know what a function looks like. Eesh. All right. I'll see you in the next one.